The person you turn to if you have an insurance claim for a fire, a flood, burst pipe is called a loss assessor. You can do, but many people that have done this have come to us months after they've started the claim in a bit of a muddle and very stressed and worried. Because an insurance claim is very complicated, it involves many aspects. There are various different claims. There's your buildings, your contents. If it's a business, there's business interruption, stock, etc. There's organising, builders, restoration companies. So there's a lot involved.
Having a professional loss assessor work for us meant that we could get back into our property much more quickly. Our neighbours, who were also flooded, had less work done, but they took nearly a year to get back into their property, whereas for us it was only about 6 months.
No matter what size you think your claim is, it's worth just phoning us just for a 5-minute call to talk to one of our technicians and go through your claim. We can then advise you, yes, it's something you could do yourself, or no, we think you really ought to have one of our chaps come and see you. No pressure, simple chat. We'll give you some advice. That's all free and there's no obligation.